Step by step, the adventure began. From Split, we went towards London in search of new experiences and unforgettable moments, driving on the right side of the road, a completely different perspective for our dad. The first day in London was filled with exploration, discovering its magical corners. However, among all the sites we visited, I was most impressed by the Science Museum, a place where knowledge and fun come together in a unique way. But the adventure didn't stop at London alone. We directed our path towards Derby, where my first metal festival awaited download. The feeling of excitement and energy was great as we immersed ourselves in the rhythm of music and the atmosphere that filled every corner of the festival. After several unforgettable days filled with music and adventure, the time had come to return. And as we drove back to Split, we carried memories of London, Derby, and all the moments that filled our adventure in our hearts.
See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.